OnePlus 3 Battery Replacement Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, T2 Torx Screwdriver, Nylon Spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, professional Phillips screwdriver. Power down your OnePlus 3 phone. Remove the dual nano SIM card tray. Remove the following two T2 Torx screws from the bottom of the OnePlus 3. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips, and then pop the OnePlus 3 out of its rear metal enclosure. There's no pesky adhesive, making this procedure a snap. Disconnect the OnePlus 3 battery from the logic board. Remove the falling Phillips screw and then the metal bracket. Detach and remove the interconnect cable. Detach the USB-C port cable from the logic board. Use the exposed clear plastic pull tab to peel the 3000 mAh battery off the adhesive, securing it to the OnePlus 3. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.